Most people who ride the bus don't know the driver, but they presume that the driver will take them from where they are to where they want to go. Taking a big bite out of food from a restaurant requires confidence in the chef. Almost every day, we put our faith in strangers. We may call it trust or expectation, but it is faith that we exercise. Out in the middle of the South Pacific, a small group of American Samoans put their faith to the test. The Samoan Islands are experiencing a health crisis, with the majority of people suffering from obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. With a burden to help their people, locals on the island of Tutuila reached out to Amen Free Clinics with the hope of initiating a change in body, mind, and spirit of their people. Collaborating with Hawaiian Airlines, the Lions Club, American Samoa Chapter, Tradewinds Hotel, the local Special Olympics Committee, the local Department of Health, and the Lyndon B. Johnson Medical Center provided their support, and God opened all the doors for this dream to become a reality.
I had two patients, brother and sister, very young. His name is Ty, and he goes to a local high school here, and his little sister, Tula, it means my star, and they loved each other so much. They were like best friends, even though they were different ages, and they were both in pain because of something that was going on in their mouth. Tula had a really bad cavity in one of her back teeth, and even by just looking at it, I could tell that it was causing her pain. But she was still such a sweet girl that she learned to live through that pain because she couldn't access it. And same with her brother. He was telling me about how the cavities on his front teeth made him very self-conscious to smile. And it saddened my heart so much to hear him say that, because he was such like a beautiful spirit. And so once we had finished helping him and we cleaned everything up, and Dr. Kim is such a great doctor, his teeth look perfect, brand new, and I pulled out my phone to show him because we didn't have mirrors, so I wanted him to see his beautiful smile. And he pulled it out and he actually cried a little, and I've never felt something like that. I've never been able to. I've never felt like I've impacted someone's life like that. And the fact that me and Dr. Kim could help him enough to give him the confidence to go to school every day and to be the best him he could be and be the best brother and example he could be for his sister really changed my life.
A 4-day clinic was open to everyone in Tutuila in December of 2017. The missionary team consisted of 4 dentists, 1 dental hygienist, 2 medical doctors, 2 nurse practitioners, and 1 optometrist from all over the United States. Nicknamed Gideon's Army, the team was able to treat 1,012 patients, providing dental, medical, vision, and lifestyle care. Along with these services, spiritual counseling was provided by members of local Seventh Day Adventist churches. Taj Pacleb, the speaker and evangelist of Revelation of Hope Ministries, presented messages of hope and revival, which contributed to the spiritual growth of the American Samoa people. All this might not have happened if this small group didn't ask in faith for help. What if we didn't get into that bus or didn't try that new food, all because of uncertainty, doubt, or mistrust? What would our days look like? Now, imagine what the world would be like if we put our trust in God the same way we put our trust in man. His plans and ideal for us are much higher than the plans we put our trust in. Like the people of the American Samoan Islands, try faith and see what happens.